main need is a plastic pry tool, but we can do the work with our hands. The first step is locating where the bulbs are housed. It is the third connector closest to the finder. It has a silver-gray connection. It is the same on both sides. Now pinch the bulb with your fingers and twist it counterclockwise to release the bulb. Now pull the bulb out using your fingers and you'll feel it pop right out. Next, let's install our new XLE LED bulb back into the connector. Push it in and it'll be installed. Place the bulb back into the housing and now let's twist it clockwise to lock the bulb in place. Test the bulb and see the difference between the old stock bulb and your new XLE LED. Look at how much brighter the output is. It also gives your vehicle a more modern, sleek look. You will need to install resistors to prevent hyper-flashing, so be aware. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you again.